Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Keynote and tapping the plus to create a new file. This gets you into the workflow immediately. Pick a template that matches your tone, then choose 16, 9, or 4, 3, because aspect ratio affects layout and export. Name the presentation so you can find it, and enable iCloud if you want automatic syncing. Once done, you'll see the first slide. Tap the text boxes to edit and use the plus menu to add images or new slides quickly. Next, you build the middle of the presentation by adding and arranging slides. Tap plus for layout choices and duplicate slides to keep consistency. Insert photos, videos, or shapes from your library, then pinch to resize and drag to position, because precise layout keeps slides readable. Use the Animate tab for builds and transitions so points appear in sync with your narration. Make sure to preview with play and adjust timing. That way your visuals and flow match naturally when presenting. Finally, you polish and export. Review master slides, add speaker notes, and rehearse timing to ensure pacing. When ready, tap Share to export as PPTX, PDF, or video depending on your audience, and choose AirDrop or Mail to deliver the file. Make sure to test the exported file on another device. If media goes missing, relink or reinsert from photos, and if a slide won't animate, toggle the animation off and on. That simple reset often fixes stuck effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.